or warmer seas. What's happening here, though, is really rapid warming. You know, in July, parts of the North Sea, Irish Sea and English Channel were up to 4 degrees warmer.
That's what my forecast.
That's a huge change. And nature and wildlife is very adaptable, but that's just happening too fast, really, for these species to adapt to that with enough time to survive.
This is some sort of
Marine global heat.
How quickly it has happened.
Climate change warning.
I mean, we're seeing these
UK
changes quite quickly.
25.
Fishermen and local
Times on the right.
coastal communities that are seeing these changes. You know,
It's the 11th of August, Monday morning, guys. 2025.
I think over the next decade, we will see some quite significant changes. I think the whole kind of UK ecosystem will kind of be a little bit.
There's proof of climate change, I'm afraid to say. Definitely will. No point denying it.
How rare would a site like that have been, I don't know, 10 years ago, 20 years ago?
I mean, this footage, I think, was taken in the southwest, and that is a really productive ecosystem.
It started in 2022, the worst of the heat, marine warming.
Which means that there's lots of good food and a really sort of thriving ecosystem.
We're getting hot summers, aren't we?
You
notice how hot it's getting more frequently in summer.
This is alerting us to a big change that could be catastrophic as the time continues and our waters become more warmer. We get more frequent of these kind of intense
squid.
marine heat waves as well. So
More jellyfish.
And we need to kind of take action to...
Even sharks, perhaps.
In the Marine Conservation Society, you're calling on the government to create more designated protected areas around our coast. Just explain how would that work?
Yeah, so we have
from fishing, probably.
of our seas are designated
Other things as well.
protected areas, which is fantastic. However, they aren't being properly managed.
Subscribe to my channel on Sun Age on YouTube, please.
Damaging activities happening like bottom trawling, which is, we know, is really damaging from the
marine
ocean
life is in danger, guys.
From David Attenborough earlier in the year. But what we really want the government to do is do a prioritise marine spatial prioritisation programme, which balances our need for addressing the nature crisis and the climate crisis in one.
There you go. Please subscribe to my channel on Sun Age.
Offshore wind that aren't impacting these really fragile